Hi, this is Amiran Mohammed, and my assignment is how Apache Hadoop is helping large organizations to deliver enterprise data lake. My student ID is 1192884. So let's get started. Introduction to data lakes. The companies need a new approach in data management. This means that companies need new technologies, new real-time decision makings, etc. etc. Big data technology is sanctioning measurability and price potency orders of magnitude bigger than what's attainable with previous data management infrastructure. Data Lake is a bold new approach that takes advantage of the capabilities of big data technology and combines it with the flexibility of self-service. In order to achieve data lake, it has to achieve a maturity, and it has the following stages. It is data bottle, data pond, data lake, data ocean. Here in this diagram, you can get a brief overview of how data lake is achieved in these maturity stages. On the x-axis, we have all data, future needs, immediate need data, and on the y-axis, we have high touch and self-service. To create successful data lake, based on surveying dozens of companies that are implementing data lake with varying degrees of success, three main assumptions have been drawn. The number one is right platform, number two is right data, number three is right interfaces. Here we discuss Apache, Hadoop, and data lake. From storage to analyze, Hadoop can provide the research team with the foundation needed to complete the work. Hadoop is not limited to any working model or language. Therefore, it is a useful tool when scaling up. Hadoop changes its definition every year and has been the industry standard for decades. In the field of using data lakes for research and analysis, the greatest potential is the greatest relief. Here are the components of Hadoop. There are four: HDFS, Yarn, MapReduce, and Hadoop Common. Security on Hadoop and data lakes. Many attacks on large warehouses, data lakes are ongoing, so Hadoop can provide security tools and support. In healthcare, it's essential that any leakage of data can lead in complications and health problems. In financial, the customer SSN and credit card information is the most important. The problems of law and social relations are increasing. Therefore, companies prefer to use Hadoop infrastructure for more control. An individual ticket can be provided under Kerberos services, and users can authenticate to the module. These are the Kerberos framework in the Hadoop. Additional Hadoop users are healthcare, financial, technology, customer products, and research media companies need more analysis in research. Therefore, Hadoop has become the most important, and it can create a more powerful environment. Hadoop fully understands analysis needs by providing tools to do more analysis. Conclusion: large amounts of data are generated every day, so research requires deeper analysis. It is best to choose Hadoop model with sufficient network and security frameworks. These are my references. Thank you.